Hi, welcome to 3LD. Today we're working on oil change for a 2017 Nissan Rogue. We'll also change out the oil filter and air filter. What you need for the job today is ramps or a jack and jack stands to get under the car, a 14mm socket to remove the oil plug, an oil pan, 5 quarts of oil, a new oil filter. I use the Fram PH6607. I'll put a link in the show notes. And a new air filter. I use the Fram 11858. Please like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you new 3LD content. So get the car jacked up. That's the first step. You need to jack it like at the wheel or just behind. The oil pan is right here where the exhaust curves around, and the plug is right on the back side right here. So first we're going to drain the oil. So the oil's draining out. To take the plug, you'll need a 14mm socket. I usually make a mess when I pull the plug out, so I've got cardboard and some plywood down under my oil pan, and then I can put the plug there on the cardboard. It's got a bunch of dirty oil on it. When the oil's just barely dripping out, I'll put the plug back in. Want to be careful not to drop it in the oil pan. And I'll tighten it up again with the socket once I get it started. And the oil filter is just, there's a little flap I'll show you right behind the wheel. So this is the front passenger tire. Just behind the front passenger tire there's a flap you can pull back, and up behind the flap you'll see the orange old oil filter. I'm going to slide my oil pan and cardboard back to catch the oil when I take that off. The new oil filter is a Fram 6607, which I'm going to replace. I like to put a little bit of new oil on the seal before I install it. The seal, the rubber seal right there on the top. There's the oil filter to remove it. It's going to rotate counterclockwise. You'll probably see some oil dripping down. Luckily I put my pan here in the right place to catch that. When I take it off, I like to put the end of it down towards the floor to minimize the leakage. A bunch more oil dripping out from the engine, then I can pour the rest here into the pan. Then I'll take my new one, find the same spot, screw it on clockwise. Sometimes it's a little hard to get the thread started up in there, and it's hard to see. So next step, after you've got the oil plug in, you got the new filter. This is your oil filler cap. It's just, I'm on the passenger side, just behind this big plastic thing that says Nissan behind and below there. Take that off, and it's got a little oil symbol on it, so you know you're in the right place. Put a filter in there. Be sure it's clean. You don't want any debris. I've got 5 quarts of 10W30 I'll be filling in tonight. I use the funnel to minimize the spills, so you don't have to be as careful with the pouring. When that's done, I'm going to move over to the air filter. So here's the battery. I'm on the driver's side. The air filter's in this box right behind the battery. To access it, you need to take this clip off and you'll squeeze these two pins and pull out at the bottom. There's some clips that'll hold that on, and you can slide this off, and you can see the old air filter inside there. Then to get at the air filter, there's a clip here on the right side. I think there's a couple over on the left. This one. So while it's still attached there at the bottom, you just take the air filter, slide it out. Look at the taper. So I want to put the new one in the same way. So this is a Fram 11858 I'm using. So I'll match the taper up with the big taper at the top and the skinny taper at the bottom. Slide it in just like that and push it back. And then I can close this door, put the clip on the right, move the old one out of the way, put the clip on the left, and then put this back together. You're going to want to slide it down on the air filter box side as well as the hose side here on this side. We've got two clips over here and a little clasp on the top. And over here there's a track you're going to want to run it down to keep the air from leaking through there. So it's all put back together. And we can take the oil can off, put the old oil in there, and I think we're all finished up. Thanks for watching. Please comment with any other video ideas you'd like to see. And please like and subscribe to get more 3LD content.